Hey, you guys. So Courtney Fricke here. A lot of you, we've connected maybe online, the radio, or in person, somewhere along the line. Or maybe someone sent you my way. Regardless, whatever that may look like, at the end of the day, I'm trying to make sure I can help as many people as possible. So I've got my team back here. You guys can wave and say hey.
Hey.
They're back there working. Yeah. So maybe you have a situation, a problem with real estate, whether you're behind on your payments, facing foreclosure. Maybe you inherit a property that's giving you some issues. Maybe you're a real estate agent or another professional in the industry that thinks that one of your clients, that I might be a good fit to be able to help. My team's here to help us help you and for things to not bottleneck with me. So whether you're a property owner, whether you're an investor looking to find maybe a solution for a problem property you own, reach out to us. So there's a form below. Check it out, fill it out, and our team is going to get back to you ASAP. And we're going to say, hey, look, what can we do to help? And whether that's come make an offer on the property, various things, we're here to help you guys. So make sure, fill out the form below, and we'll be in touch soon. Thank you.